Ha and Ha are two similar sounding Arabic alphabets. If you are also confused as a beginner, do watch this video until the end. You will learn the difference in this video. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. Here we are starting a series learning the Arabic alphabets of similar sounds through the words, because through practice we can understand the meaning well and the difference. Hal, ha, hal, ha, 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 ha. While pronouncing ha, there is a little resistance in the throat, but while pronouncing ha, our chest vibrates little. This is the difference. Ha is pronounced from the middle of the throat, but while pronouncing ha, we go deep towards our chest. The meaning is also changed because of these two quite similar sounds. Hal, hal. Hal is solution and hal is interrogative noun. It means what? Like hal, you can say it's questionary. It comes while question someone. Hal. Hal is solution. Next word is haram, forbidden. Do make your notes, because while learning the difference between the similar sounds of Arabic alphabets, your vocabulary will also increase. Haram, forbidden, and haram, pyramid. Haram. Hamza. Hamza is a name, but why? But with ha, Hamza is a letter, which is the second last letter of Arabic alphabets. Hamza, that's a name. Hamza. Hammam. Hammam, that is bath. And hammam, it's a brave. Hammam, hammam. Shabah, shabah, ghost, shade of something. And shabah, resemblance. So, do practice with me if you really want to pro hal, harm, hamza, hammam, shabah. While pronouncing all these letters, the ha is make a difference in your throat. This sound. While pronouncing ha, hal, harm, hamza, hammam, shabah. The chest, you vibrate little. If your chest is vibrating while pronouncing this, it means you are right. That's a self test. But if pronouncing ha, there is a little resistance in your throat, then you are right. Do practice these things and comment in the comment box. And if there is something confusing, do tell me. I will make a new video for you. This page you can find on my website, where you can find all the material in written forms and the difference which I just told you in a written form. Do visit it and make your note if you want to be pro. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video with a new video. Assalamu alaikum.